Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to reduce Roblox mobile lag when using a Firestick setup. So if you're using Roblox through supported streaming or screen mirroring methods and experiencing lag, then just follow along. First, restart both your Firestick and your mobile device and make sure both devices are connected to fast and stable Wi-Fi network. And if you're casting or screen mirroring, move closer to your Wi-Fi router to reduce wireless interference. Then close unnecessary apps running in the background on your phone before launching Roblox. And you need to also make sure your Firestick software and your phone's operating system are fully updated. And if you're using a VPN, disconnect it temporarily to see if network latency improves. Finally, you need to remember that Roblox does not have a native Firestick app, so performance depends on the screen mirroring or streaming method you're using. So that was how to reduce Roblox lag when using a Firestick setup. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.